And welcome to the super fun, awesome, happy time pedal show. My name is Gabor and it's time for some more unboxing. So this just arrived. Let's open it up. So, this was sent to us by the awesome people at RPS Effects. Now, actually, I watched Emily from Get Offset, and you all should go and check out Emily from Get Offset as well. I watched her do a video on one of these pedals, and I really liked it, and I reached out to RPS, and they were so kind to send me some pedals, 2 of them. So let's have a look at them. Let's start with the smaller one. Things are falling. So what was falling? Okay, so this is, there's a sticker and a manual, which for the, well, we know now it's the bit reactor. Now, with all these unboxing videos and first impressions videos, I'm not looking at the manual at all. I'm just plugging it in and seeing what it does. There'll be full videos with both pedals coming up in a not too distant future with Alex as well. Ooh, the bit reactor. That's cool. Very cool looking pedal. So that came. And the bigger one. I think I know which one the bigger one is, because I think that's the one I watched Emily do the video of and I really liked it and I asked him to send me one. Let's have a look. Ooh. Ooh. Yellow and red sticker, but let's have a look. Yes, so that's the arcade machine, which just looked and sounded so cool in the demo. And I love that kind of stuff. Woohoo, look at that! That's just cool. All right, now, I'm gonna plug it in and attempt on using it without knowing what I'm doing. But let's see how that goes. All right, I'm all plugged in now. I've got the guitar going through the pedals into the Mozztronics Amp Switcher, which has currently got the Fender Bass Breaker 15 selected on the cleanest setting I can get it to. And that's going to the 2-note Torpedo Live. And there's 2 Celestion Plus IRs that I'm using. There's an Engel XXL 4x12 and a 4x10 Celestion Greenback, and they're both kind of blended together. Links, there's affiliate links to that below if you want to buy an IR, and you go to the official Celestion Plus website. If you click our link, that helps us out. You don't have to buy that particular IR or those particular IRs, any IRs, as long as you click on the link. So, as for guitar, I'm using for today this lovely RIVOLTA Mondata. And I'm currently on a bridge pickup, and clean, it sounds like this. The reverb is from the Fender. So let's start off with the bit reactor and see what that does. Ooh, and hang on, this is kind of cool. So I hope you can see it. As you're turning this, the lights go on and off. So that's cool. So what's that? Bit crusher, so the more you go up, the more bits you have. basically turns into a ring modulator, bit crusher. That's cool. So this is pretty straightforward. Sample bit rate, I guess, goes up or goes down. This is kind of how much you crush that sample. There's an expression pedal in as well, which does something. So that's cool. Bit Reactor. Like I said, full videos, and I'll know what I'm doing with the, once we do the full videos of each pedal. This is just a quick first impression. First impression, I like. Now this one has a lot of knobs. What are the knobs? Minus 2 octave, minus 1 octave, 0 octave, int, plus 1 octave, plus 2 octaves, gate, level, and then minor second, minor third, major third, and then depth and rate for modulation. So there's lots going on, and there's an expression pedal input there as well. So yes, I'll need to read the manual on this, but let's just see what happens. So this is just the way it was set when it got here. Let's go clean sound one more time. Which one's a level? Level up a bit, maybe. Okay, hang on, let's turn everything down and bring things in slowly and see what happens. Oh, gates. Super on the gate then. Wow, that gate's strong. Okay, so you've got without that there's nothing. Then you can the same pitch, so it's kind of like a and I'm going to turn it up a little bit. So the moment is almost like an envelope filter kind of thing, and then you've got a crazy gate that pulls it away. So does any of that work at the moment? Ah, okay, so is this the... Okay, so that's same color. Okay, see, that works the same color. So that control, that's the volume of this. And that's the original notes of now I have a perfect fifth. And then I can go an octave below. That's cool, 2 octaves below. One octave above, so I'm going to set an octave down off. So this is now without, okay, so that's the harmony, but that's now just an octave up. And just 2 octaves up. And it's definitely not polyphonic, but that's cool. And this is some other modulation, I guess. On it as a... Oh, okay. So the light shows you the modulation rate. That's cool. Okay, so we've got the turbo. Let's go with the harmony. Let's make it something odd, like a what is this? -6. And then go octaves down as well. That's cool. It's wild, it's out there. But if you turn that down, the modulation goes away. That's cool. That's a wild pedal. And the gate, if you go really up. Okay, so I'm kind of getting it now. And then, you know, probably fifth is the most pleasing to most ears. The gate that's a serious gate. But I love that because it's not polyphonic. If you play two notes. With the lower octaves, it doesn't sound as good, but actually, let's get rid of the harmonies, just a high octave. And let's add really fast modulation on it. That's wild. That's great. Hang on, how deep does it? Crazy does modulation go? That's wild. It's very picks dynamic sensitive, so if you hit hard, it does that envelope kind of thing into it. But if you pick lightly, it goes straight to the. That's cool. I like this. I reckon this is going to be hours of fun. So, I mean, this was, like I said, just a quick first look. Let's go down a bit. Quick first look at the arcade machine and the bit reactor by RPS. Big thank you to the awesome people at RPS Effects for sending this out. Big thank you to Emily from Get Offset for doing a video on this for me to know that this even exists. So, bit reactor, arcade machine, full videos coming up shortly. If you don't want to miss it, make sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. About 90% of the people watching this channel are not subscribed, so please do subscribe. It helps us out a lot more. Big thank you to the awesome people from RPS. Big thank you to the awesome people at RIVOLTA. Big thank you to Andrew at Mozztronics. Big thank you to Guillaume and Jason at Two Notes. And that's about it. So on that note, see you next time.